Is being an electrician in Slovenia well paid? On average, a Slovenian electrician earns around 27,100 US dollars a year. That is the average electrician salary in Slovenia before tax, but after tax, it drops to $17,900, which means your monthly take-home pay is roughly $1,492. While that is the country average, working in Ljubljana brings home more, where the electrician income after tax is $21,100. Living outside the capital leaves you with lower electrician wages, but lower local costs usually balance things out. On top of location, experience plays a big role because starting pay sits well below the average, though it goes up quickly in your first few years before it plateaus. Having a university degree is not required to start, but getting extra education helps you earn noticeably more and move into higher positions like electrical inspector or project manager. Specializing in complex industrial systems adds even more to how much does an electrician make in Slovenia, so building advanced skills is the best way to get higher average electrician pay.